Salt Lake City, Utah, known for its mountains, safety, and stillness, but in December of 2019, an ordinary jaywalking stop on an ordinary street corner would erupt into something far bigger. This is Tarik Mason, 37 years old, unarmed, carrying a bike frame. This moment, captured on police bodycam, would lead to 6 officers under investigation and a long-ignored story finally brought to light.
Hey man, how come you didn't wait for the light?
The stop begins here. No sirens, no shouting, just a question.
Sorry, I apologize. I usually don't do that.
That's why we've had like tons of people hit and killed on the streets because people don't wait for the lights.
Tarik explains he wasn't trying to cause trouble. He says a friend gave him the frame. His voice is calm, his body language non-threatening.
I thought I did something like wrong because just my buddy gave me this bicycle.
It should have ended there.
Anybody give you what? Tarik Mason, what's your birthday?
January 27th, 82.
The officer asks for a warrant check, a routine procedure. But for Tarik, it triggers something.
I'm just gonna make sure you don't have any warrants. No, stay here.
Sir?
Then, a shift. Tarik's eyes dart. His steps change.
30, I need it back. Sir, stop right now.
He runs.
2:30, I got one running.
The chase moves fast, through alleys, across fences.
Sorry, 4th East. Holy stop! East on Hoover. Approaching 5th East from Hoover. Black male. Gray hoodie. Gray pants.
Within minutes, backup swarms the area. 6 officers in total. Brandon Shearer, Dale Michaelis, Devin Edmonds, Nick Witzel, Riley Strickland, Stetson Sarter.
10.2, continuing. Eastbound.
Unarmed, surrounded, unsure what to do.
Stop! Get on the ground!
No!
Get on the ground!
No! No! No!
2:30. One at gunpoint. 10:22, he's continuing. We're at about 8:40 south. In the alley southbound towards 9th. About 5:30 east, almost to 9th south, the alley.
He's ordered to stop at gunpoint. He hesitates, then keeps moving. Mason yells, keeps moving. Officers converge. No taser, just physical force. They take him down hard. He yells he can't breathe. They yell for his arms.
Hey, buddy, keep your right arm up. Give us your right arm. Keep your hand down. Keep your hand down. I can't. Keep your hand down. Raise your right arm, guy. We got it. You got it.
Now he's handcuffed.
To the alley, approximately 535, 900 south.
Search on my
Step 5, you were done for.
on his hands.
Go back. Oh, this is backpack. Right frame. Things on the back. Something in the
Alright, let's sit him up right
750.
here.
That's
on the air.
back trail from the foot for
You need medical?
Okay.
Beat the fuck out of me.
Alright, buddy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sit you up.
I'll just walk back if somebody wants to walk back with me. He threw something in a garbage can.
You okay?
Yeah.
Inside its bag, methamphetamine, a digital scale. The tone shifts instantly. Mason is in custody. Handcuffed, no resistance, no lawsuit, no formal complaints. Without a complaint, the footage sits untouched, filed, forgotten. Years later, someone asks the right question. The video is released, the public sees what happened, and 6 officers are placed on administrative leave. An internal investigation begins. No misconduct is found. The case is closed, legally. But for many, the images stick. A man tackled and restrained for crossing the street. This wasn't a felony stop. There was no gun, no threat. It started with a crosswalk and ended with a takedown. This was a moment, a decision, a story nearly left untold.